Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here we are with Mr.
General Jacob Tharakan Chacko.
Author of.
Dare, dream, different.
So sir, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
It's lovely. One loves to see one's work published.
Right.
It gives a good kick, I suppose.
Exactly.
Ecstasy, I suppose.
Yeah, I mean millions of people come here, but it's very few who have their book published and displayed over here.
Yes, one story being shared in the public domain.
Right.
That does give.
So sir, can you tell us a little bit more about your book?
This is in the genre of a journey or a journal. It's actually showcases a little boy's journey from a village in India, remote village in India,
Right.
to being a two-star general in the army,
Oh right.
and then creating their personal stories, love stories, lost
Right.
stories,
Right.
as we gather steam,
Right.
and finally we come to a stage where I have come. It's actually a fictional autobiography.
It's wonderful. So, who do you think this book is for? Is it for people who are aspiring to be in the army, or is it also just for anybody else?
It is actually meant for people, every man, every woman on the planet.
Wow.
It just tells you that you are a beautiful story.
Right.
Each individual is a beautiful story,
Right.
worth being told, retold,
Right.
and shared. So it actually gives out the message to people: tell your story to everybody, share your life.
Wow, that's wonderful. Sir, it is an honor to meet you. Thank you for sharing this
you
experience
very
with
much.
us.
Thank you very
Thank you
much.
for visiting. I hope you have a wonderful book fair, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.